Are you looking for a dash cam that offers more than just video recording? Many drivers want enhanced safety, better visibility, and convenience features, but finding a model that checks all the boxes can be tricky. If you've been searching for the perfect balance of performance and value, the Nextbase 522GW might be the one you're after. This dashcam features 1440p at 30 FPS for stunning video quality, capturing your journey with incredible detail. It's designed with a 140-degree wide-angle lens, giving you peace of mind by ensuring wide coverage around your vehicle. With Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, 10 Hz GPS, and built-in Alexa, the Nextbase 522GW isn't just about recording. It's about connecting, controlling, and staying safe on the road. Let's dive into its key features. The 3-inch IPS touchscreen is a standout, providing clear, crisp footage review with upgraded picture resolution. This makes it easier to navigate the dashcam's features and review your footage on the spot. Whether you need to capture a scenic drive or document an unfortunate accident, the Nextbase 522GW ensures you never miss a moment. Another game changer is its quick-link Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity. Syncing your dashcam with your phone has never been easier. With Bluetooth 4.2 and quick-link Wi-Fi, you can seamlessly edit and share footage via the My Nextbase Connect app. This makes transferring files quick and hassle-free, allowing you to access, share, and back up your footage wherever you are. Built-in Alexa integration is a huge perk. You can control your dashcam hands-free, as well as access a world of Alexa features. Play music, make calls, get directions, and control smart home devices all through simple voice commands. This is a nice touch for anyone who wants to minimize distractions while driving. Now, let's take a closer look at the pros and cons of the Nextbase 522GW. Pros: excellent 1440p video quality at 30 FPS with wide 140-degree coverage. 3-inch IPS touchscreen makes reviewing footage and navigating features super easy. Built-in Alexa integration offers hands-free control and smart features. GPS G-sensor tracks your location and safeguards footage in case of accidents. Quick-link Wi-Fi and Bluetooth make syncing and sharing footage effortless. Cons: while the video quality is excellent, the price is on the higher side compared to basic dashcams. The large touchscreen might be a bit much for some users who prefer more compact designs. As for value for money, the Nextbase 522GW offers a well-rounded package that justifies its price. The combination of advanced video quality, GPS functionality, Alexa integration, and seamless connectivity puts it ahead of many competitors in the same price range. If you prioritize high-quality footage, smart features, and ease of use, it's a solid investment. In terms of build quality, the Nextbase 522GW uses premium materials, and based on the feedback from industry experts and users alike, it's built to last. The long-term reliability looks promising, though. Of course, it's always worth keeping an eye out for any updates or recalls in the future. Customer support from Nextbase has also garnered praise, with responsive service and effective troubleshooting for users who face installation or connectivity issues. Who is this for? The Nextbase 522GW is perfect for those who want more than just a basic dashcam. If you're a daily commuter, a long-distance traveler, or someone who values peace of mind and smart features, this is a top choice. However, if you're on a tighter budget or looking for something more compact, there are more affordable alternatives out there. Conclusion: strong option. If you value top-tier video quality, ease of use, and smart integrations, the Nextbase 522GW is one of the best choices available. It offers all the advanced features that make it a standout in its class, providing safety, convenience, and peace of mind. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. Your support helps us bring you more honest, no-nonsense reviews. Have you used the Nextbase 522GW or another dashcam? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments. Thanks for watching. Remember, whether you're navigating busy streets or cruising the highway, keep your journey automated.